Oi, tudo bem? Aula de português com Robson. Espero que você esteja aprendendo. So, we're gonna follow on the book on page number 21. You definitely should keep going with the numbers on pages 16, 17, 18, and 19. And then there's this dialogue at the market here, and they call it a feira. So again, the book we are using is Fala Brasil. You can find used copies in Amazon. And a feira, this open market in Brazil, and I'm not sure if they have it in Portugal too, in other countries too. Cape Verde, I'm assuming they do. In my mom's neighborhood, it was very, very traditional. It's still there, but with the big chains, it's almost like it's a farmer's market, but much bigger, and you get quite a cultural experience. So if you have a chance to go to a feira when in your travels, do. So I want to try something new. So I'm going to say the dialogue. It's on page 21, and then you repeat. All right. So at it says here in the bar, but I would imagine that this in the U.S. would be a conversation in a coffee shop. Eu queria café, por favor. So what do you say if you are the person on the counter serving the coffee? If I say, eu queria café, por favor. So it's right there. You can say, pois não. So if someone asks for help, você pode me ajudar? Você pode me ajudar? You can say, pois não. Pois não means, sure, why not? And always finish with de nada. De nada, you're welcome. De nada. And if someone, if you want to ask for something, you say, eu queria pão. I want a loaf of bread. Eu queria uma Coca-Cola. Eu queria sorvete, an ice cream, sorvete. Eu queria sorvete. I'd like, eu queria. So that's the conditional. So if someone says, quanto é? How much is it? Quanto é? Quanto é? And yeah, this is another way to say you're welcome. You can say não tem de quê. Não tem de quê means, really there is no reason for you to say thank you very much. I don't know, translating these things literally sometimes is funny. Não tem de quê, não tem de quê. Or às ordens, at your service, às ordens. That's more old style, type Portuguese. And so if you want to say it doesn't matter, how do you say that? It doesn't matter. It's right there, because in the dialogue here, na rua, on the street, the third one, na rua, the guy says, oi Maria, tudo bem? Well, it turns out that the woman is not Maria. He mistook her for someone else. So she says, meu nome é Márcia. Oh, my name is Marcia. Ah, desculpe. I'm sorry. Não tem importância. It doesn't matter. Não tem importância. And how do you say excuse me? Com licença. Yeah, you got it. Com licença. Sometimes it gets shortened to licença. Licença. Like, people don't say the com licença. And you're going to hear that a lot in the public transportation there, in the bus, com licença, licença. And desculpe, because there's a lot of stepping on each other's toes. It's quite crowded in the rush hour. So particularly in the large cities, nothing can prepare you for taking the subway in Rio or São Paulo during rush hour. Like Your glasses get bent out of shape, to say the least. And so they're starting on page 22 with the past tense. So I'd highly recommend that you practice that, because for regular verbs, the ending for the past tense is the same. Eu gastei. The present would be eu gasto. I spend. I spent would be eu gastei. Eu gastei. Você gastou. Ele ou ela, gastou. Nós gastamos, vocês gastaram, elas gastaram. And that ending, amos, aram, gastaram, it's going to be the same for every regular verb. All right? So keep it up. Let's keep going. Take care.